I'm coming to you with another acrylic pour, sort of a little bit more subdued colours, but sort of rich earthy colours today. Probably very unlike me, because I normally paint with lots of colour if you follow my art. So I'm kind of trying to get this, see if the colours are correct for something that I would like to do for a friend that likes these kind of autumny earthy colours. So this is a 60 by 30 canvas. So I've taped off the back and I've put I hammer my push pins in so it can be lifted and tilted and whatever without it affecting anything. So we are going to pour on that today. And I have got the canvas that I want to pour on is 92 by 46, so a lot bigger. So I just want to see if I can get this one right first. So what I'm doing today is I'm splitting the canvas like so. Start with this. This is burnt umber, and I added some of the what did I add? The black to it, so it gave it a darker look. But I've also put a bit of the sparkle in this one, the iridescent medium, which I've shown on other videos. But if you want me to explain again, I can do that. So I'm just going to do this with this one. Use the sponge brush first, just to make sure I get my canvas covered on the sides nicely, and I don't have to worry about blowing it right over the sides and getting all my sides. So I could have used a bigger brush, that would have been suffice, but I've got these little ones here, so I'm gonna just use these. So mixing that burnt umber with, oh, I'll tell you what I put in, silver, that's it, I couldn't think. I put metallic silver in, so to give it this, the glistening effect from the metallics. Have I got right over that side, can you tell me? So there we go, that's the sides done nicely. And then it sort of just gives it that bit of, gives it a lovely sparkle, putting the metallic silver into it with the burnt umber and a bit of black, so it sent it a bit darker, chocolatey, and also gives it that nice metallic look. Now this is one that I think I'm using for the first time. It's called Sketch Paper by Global. So I thought that would go really nice with this contrasting side with the burnt umber sparkle. So I will do the same on this one. Do my edges with the brush. Well, the, what do you call them? Sponge brush. Not SpongeBob, sponge brush. Just take it nice and easy. Remember, it's just it's meant to be relaxing. Sometimes it can be frustrating if you don't get the results you choose, but remember, it's only paint, so don't sort of get too worried about the small stuff. That was not a good idea. I was going too close to the brown. To think of a better name for that brown instead of brown. Sparkling chocolate fudge delight, something like that. Something nice and exotic. A name would be more suffice. So that is the sketch paper, that's called. So hoping it's thin enough when I come to blow out on it. If not, it's all right, I'll go back over it. So to try and keep my puppy quiet today, she's on the floor with a bone, and Bindi and Benson are out there with bones. So if you can hear any munching, it's not me, my bone's creaking, it's the puppy with the bone. So this is so unlike me. Anybody that knows me will know that I love the bright colours, but I enjoy doing other colours when it's, especially if I think it's for somebody that's going to enjoy the outcome. I might just go a little bit more of that sketch pad down here. Sketch pad. Sketch paper. Sketch pad. Oh, the company give the names of these paints, but I end up christening them my own name. So I'll put a bit more of the Chocolate Fudge Sparkle Delight. Just hoping that it blows out. Might be a bit thick to actually blow out, but we will see. If not, I just have to work that out when it comes to it. So what I'm going to put in here is, this is another custom colour that I've made. I make the 50% gold, 50% silver, and it makes a lovely champagne. But this time I decided to add a little bit of copper, and it is, oh, it's took it another step up. This is the normal 50% gold, 50% silver champagne. Then that is it with copper in it, metallic copper. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to put some of that in there. And I'm gonna put some of the metallic copper. And I'll put some gold. So this is the metallic gold. So I might keep that on that side more so to blow up there. Metallic gold. And then this is just called sand. So I thought I'd put the sand on that side. Sand, and what more can I put on this side? Might put a little bit more of the burnt umber on this side, or the chocolate fudge creamy sparkling delight. Rightio. I'm going to add a little bit of white down there. We're going to see what we get. So all those colours already look lovely and rich. So let's just do this with my little bluer. Not doing any more. I like it. Ooh, wow. Maybe I need to blow this a bit. And it's not really happening. Probably better off. No, I'm not gonna try that. I might have to just go over those with the sponge brushes to even them out a bit, but usually the canvas absorbs the paint and you don't really see any of this lumpiness. But if you do, I don't mind it because it looks like texture, as long as it doesn't crack when it's drying, because the paint is thick. That's all you've really got to sort of think about. So that one, I just love that. I love that, and I know I'm pretty certain that that's what she's looking for, that kind of look. So I will send her photos, and if it's correct, I'll do the big one that she wants in it. Like I said, I don't take on commissions anymore. They're too stressful. People, then you do something and I'm like, oh no, can you add a bit of this? Can you add a bit of that? And you've already, you know, spent the time, money, and let alone the materials. So I just paint for friends as gifts. If they're not happy with them, it's okay, because I didn't want any money off them. But yeah, pretty sure that that's okay. So I don't want to do anything really that much more to it. I'm going to add some, I'm going to add the heat gun. It takes away the air bubbles. Might just do a bit of finger dabbing here and there too. You can absolutely use your fingers. There is no rules to this. So it's just to soften up a few areas. I like it. Wowzers, wowzers. There you go. Fancy me doing this. Just trying to see sort of a bit of an area I can. There you go. So that's a little different for me. So I'm kindly hoping that the drying gods be with me. It dries beautifully. So I can send my friend a photo and see if she loves the colours, which I really do think that she will. And then I'll attempt it on the bigger canvas. So I hope you like this today, something different from me other than really bright and out there. But don't worry, that's where I'll be getting back to, because I love those kind of pours. So until tomorrow, my kind folk, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button, because it doesn't cost you anything and it helps me. And of course, please come back and watch my videos again. Hopefully always something different, and yeah, always good fun. So for now, take care of you and yours until tomorrow. Bye for now. Okay, I am back because I sent photos. I sent photos to my friend and I said, do you like this? She said, it's absolutely perfect colours, but I want all your balloon kisses and rolls in it. So I've just gone to town on it with balloon kisses and rolls, and I've just sent her the photos and she said absolutely perfect. So I had fun with it because I did something that I absolutely love, is my balloon work, and she's absolutely gobsmacked and over the moon with it. So, you know, there's no better result than that when who you're doing it for absolutely loves it and you thoroughly enjoyed creating it, then there's so much love in that piece of art. So there you go. Wonders will never cease. I had so much fun, and I'm sorry that I didn't roll the camera for the kisses and rolling, because I didn't, you know, I didn't think it was going to go that way, but it did. So there you go. Never say never, and always expect the unexpected. Bye for now.